back to my channel. So finally, a makeup tutorial. I have not sat down to film in what feels like forever, okay? I have been vlogging for a series that I want to do on my channel. You guys have not seen it. It has not come out yet. So this is totally a St. Patrick's makeup inspired look. When I started filming this video, I had no idea where I was going. I honestly just knew I wanted to use this palette right here. This is the new Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe Volume 2 palette. And this is how the inside looks. This one brings a mirror. Sorry, you can see my fingerprints and everything. And yeah, I saw the Mojito shade and I was like, I want to use that shade today. So this is what I went with. And I really love how this look came out. I have been loving using this yellow eyeliner. I don't know where it is. It just changes the look completely. Like even just adding a different color eyeliner to any simple look, instead of going with a simple black, or like just changing the color of your eyeliner changes how the look looks completely, and I just love it. I love this pop of yellow. Anyways, I'm just talking too much. But if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. I already have my base done because I don't want to spend a lot of time on my face. So we're going to get right into the eyes. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm going to be using this baby today. So this is the new Alamar Reina del Caribe Volume 2 palette. Beautiful. And I have the first one as well. I bought these two with my own money. I had one come in a boxy charm. I actually gave it to my sister because I already had it. So why am I going to have two of them? And I really enjoyed this one. So I'm going to start by applying Cocoa Taxi on my crease, like on the transition area, which is between the crease and like a little bit above your brow bone. Like with this eyeshadow, you want it to show on your crease, like you want to see it, but you don't want it to be super intense because this is just like a transition shade. This is going to help your other eyeshadows blend so much easier, and it's just going to make the look complete. Now I'm going to go into the Dark Magic palette from Morphe and Jaclyn's Hills collection, and I'm going to take Potion, just a little bit of Potion, not too much, and I'm going to place this right in the crease. Then I like to go in back with the first brush and just blend everything out, like all the hard edges, just blend the two colors in together. Okay, now I'm going into the Alamar Reina del Caribe Volume 2 palette. So I'm just going to apply Caballero into the outer corner and just slightly drag it into the crease. And I'm going to go back into the Dark Magic palette and I'm going to take Inside Job, same brush. So I'm going to put on Inside Job right over Caballeros and then just drag it in the crease. So I want this shade to stay in the crease. I don't really want to drag it up. So I want my brush, I'm placing my brush like this. Before we move on, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the edges here, just so we don't have any harsh lines. Okay, so now we're going to intensify this a little bit more. Start in the outer corner, and then slowly drag the shadow into the crease. And I always like to go in with that second brush that we used just to smooth out the edges and just have a smoother transition between colors and just, you know, have a nice blended eye look. With this more precise brush, I'm going to go back into Caballeros and really intensify the crease and the outer corner. And then again with the same second brush, I like to go in and just blend that out. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer and cut the crease. And I'm using my Alamar flat brush. I love this brush to cut the crease. I'm gonna go into Mojito from the Reina del Caribe Volume 2 palette, and I'm gonna dab this right over top. Taking Caballero from the Reina del Caribe Volume 2 palette, and I'm gonna apply this very close to my waterline. With a pencil brush, what I'm gonna do is take inside job and buff out Caballero's out. I'm gonna take Potion and blend out those colors. Back, I did my eyeliner, my eyelashes, my lower lash lines like I said I would. I used the Inglot Gel Eyeliner in the shade, in the number 84, the yellow one, and then over top I went in with El Malecón from Reina del Caribe Volume 1 palette, and oops. And this is what I applied over top of that yellow to make it that gold color, and I am loving it. So for the inner corner, and I'm gonna go in with La Costa mixed with a little bit of Malecón and apply that in the inner corner. I'm gonna use my Anastasia contour kit. I'm using this last shade right here. This is the medium palette. I'm gonna take my BhCosmetics Nude Blush palette, and I need to get a new one because look at mine. It's falling apart. I'm gonna use this shade right here, the middle shade on top. Highlight, I'm gonna be using the Ofra Rodeo Drive Highlight, just because this is what's in front of me. Trying not to highlight that big ass pimple, okay? Because we don't want to draw any more attention to it. Using this Adesse New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. This is a lip gloss more than a liquid lipstick, like the name says. It's like a nude lip gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some setting spray. I'm using this Skindonavia Makeup Setting Spray. Makeup setting spray. Yes, give it to me. And with my sponge, I'm just gonna push it in. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!